So guys, Lego City is on fire, so we need to get there as soon as we can. And by the looks of things, we need to get there as soon as we can so adults can go and lay down. So guys, Lego City's on fire, so are we ready? Oh, come on. No, we can do better than that. So guys, are you ready? There we go, so much better. I bet you make so much noise at home. That's it, I'm going to bring you now to make you be quiet. 3, 2, 1, go! Remember, the lever on top must be going in the direction you wish for the truck to go, or you will not move. That's it, one's got it, four's moving, that's the way. Keep that lever forward, and then you're going to have to pump those arms. Mom did not believe just how much work she's got to do. Once you make the city, guys, watch the bump, jump out of the trucks and get to those water pumps. Your water pump then needs to go all the way up and all the way down. You'll generate the most water if you take the pump all the way up and all the way down. You need to put the water into the target. You need to put the water into the hole. The more water that goes into that target, the faster the flames will go out and the less pumping you'll have to do. The better your aim, the less wet you're going to be. As I can assure you, that water is very, very cold. Do not mind the rain, that water is a lot colder. You need to pump, pump, pump. More water needs to go into the target. More water needs to go in. Or your flames will not go out. And we will just continue pumping. Need to keep pumping, guys. Put more water into the target. Put more water. That's your silence. Your flames are out. So in the truck, let's go home. In the truck, let's go. Who's going to get the truck back first? Who's competitive and who's just going to leave their children behind? Press the lever forward. That's the way. Bree's moving. Bree's taking it very serious. One's coming back. Dad's pretending that he's not trying to do it one-handed. He's very much trying to take the victory with all of you. Now he's realised he may lose. Keep bumping. Well done. Please make sure you stay inside the truck until the last truck stops moving. And whilst inside the truck, you can reach to do so. Please take your pictures. Please let all the trucks stop. Well done, guys. Please you jump out of your truck and into the right-hand side. We're waiting to let you out.